Using ethics in visual communication. Ohio River Cleanup Campaign poster. As your manager, I have taken the task to review all contents and visual images used for this campaign. I have noticed several ethical issues in this image. They need to be addressed and revised. Here are my findings. The African American children playing along the Ohio River look poor, and it looks as if the riverbank is their playground. The poster text reads, "Let's help them clean up." It appears to be referring to the children and not the Ohio River. The poster has several overlay images indicating celebrity endorsements. There are no resources acknowledging celebrity endorsement. And the poster has been digitally altered to make the African American children appear to be thinner, darker, and dirtier. Visual stereotyping is one of the most powerful methods of sending a visual image to any audience. Regardless of the image, the audience will focus on the text and associate the picture with the text. The poster image sends a negative message about urban African American children. It does not focus on the Ohio River cleanup. Nonetheless, this message states urban African American children are poor, uneducated, and possibly part of the problem. This poster image needs to be changed. I recommend portraying a diverse group of people actively involved in the Ohio River cleanup. Furthermore, the new image will not focus on the ethnic group, but a diverse group of people. Visual images need to be ethically correct and without stereotyping a race or culture. Social perception images should be used to express truth about what is being advertised. It should not be used to persuade an audience opinion. For example, in the poster, the main focus of the message should be about the Ohio River cleanup, but instead there is a subliminal message regarding urban African American children. Although this may not have been your intent, but the text states, "Let's clean them up," with the children alongside the river. In my opinion, them in this text is referring to the children. To correct this ethical issue, the picture needs to be changed. I will use a diverse group of people and enlarge the image of the Ohio River. Changing the image to match the text will cause the audience to focus on the Ohio River and not the children. Digital alteration and enhancement involves changing the original picture to fit the message that is being portrayed. Digital alteration is another visual imaging tool that is often ethically misused. The social impact from this image is only negative. In the poster, the urban African American children are viewed as thin, abnormal dark skin tone, and appear to be very dirty. As I stated before, this image needs to be changed. To correct this ethical issue, I would use a diverse group of people without digital alteration participating in the Ohio River cleanup. The audience needs to see real people involved in a real issue. The Ohio River cleanup is a messy job, and to get the community involved, they need to see the true picture. It is important to recognize the ethical boundaries and issues that can occur when choosing images to use for advertising, social media, and business purposes. It is ethically wrong to use an image without the permission of the person or company that created the image. Whenever you are researching information and decides to use it, you must obtain permission or cite the source before using the information. You must give credit to the appropriate person or company who may have provided the information or image. I see overlaid images of celebrities, but no celebrity endorsements. Either the overlay needs to be removed or you must obtain permission to use the images. Here we have the old image, which is extremely unethical. And then we have the new image, which portrays a diverse group of people that is actively involved in the Ohio River cleanup. This new image is the picture that I would recommend using for the Ohio River campaign.